In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage the ribbon in Microsoft Word. Whether you're working on maximizing your screen space or simply want to customize your workspace, understanding how to toggle and display your ribbon is essential. Let's dive in and explore different ways you can control your ribbon's visibility for a more streamlined and efficient experience in Word. To begin with, one of the quickest methods you can use to toggle the visibility of the ribbon is by pressing Ctrl plus F1 on your keyboard. This simple shortcut lets you switch between showing the complete ribbon, which includes both tabs and commands, and hiding it to show only the tabs. This can be particularly handy if you're someone who prefers to use the whole screen for document viewing or editing with minimal distractions. If you're ever unsure of whether your ribbon is in the expanded or collapsed state, pressing Ctrl plus F1 can help you verify or change it instantly without having to manually adjust any settings. Now, let's move on to another efficient way to control your ribbon. You can double-click any tab name such as Home or Insert, and this will either collapse or expand the ribbon depending on its current state. This is particularly useful if you prefer using the mouse for quick access rather than remembering keyboard shortcuts. It allows for an immediate adjustability of your workspace, and once you get into the habit, it can become second nature. Lastly, there's the Ribbon Display Options button, located at the top right corner of the Word window. It's usually represented by a small icon that may look like an arrow or a box. Clicking this button gives you more detailed options for how you want the ribbon to appear. You can choose Auto Hide Ribbon, which hides everything until you hover near the top of the screen and click to reveal what's hidden. This is great for a completely unobstructed view and is especially useful if you are presenting your document and don't want any distractions on the screen. Next, the Show Tabs option will only display the tabs, while hiding the commands unless you click on a specific tab. This strikes a balance between having command access and maintaining a clean working space. Finally, selecting Show Tabs and Commands keeps the full ribbon visible at all times, giving you complete access to all features and commands instantly. Experiment with these different methods to find out which best suits your workflow. Whether you're focusing on writing the next best-selling novel or compiling a detailed report, knowing when and how to adjust your ribbon can make your time spent in Word more productive and enjoyable. Happy writing, and feel free to explore more of Word's features to enhance your overall user experience.